All right, in just under a minute, millions of Americans will witness history. For the first time ever, the government will launch a nationwide test of the emergency alert system. It's designed to allow the President of the United States to address the country within 10 minutes from any location at any time. The system was not used on 9/11, which some critics say proves the U.S. is still living with an outdated warning system. So, if you're watching television or you're listening to the radio, you are about to hear it. We're told it will last just 30 seconds.
1370.
There is an extremely dangerous individual on the loose. He is described as an unidentified, skinny male standing at 7 feet and 5 inches. He was last seen wearing a dark red ski mask, a dark red t-shirt, and black pants. He has pitch black skin, and his eyes are black and dark red, like August and winter.